Animation center, where you could go make your own superheroes, villains, cartoons, movies, put it on DVD and go home and watch it. Yeah, with the help of the council, I'll make it. A rampaging eyeball with octopus tentacles coming out of it.
Random creatures that younger kids would like.
Software, computers, PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, definitely heaps of stuff. Definitely a printer, and heaps of computers.
For some rooms, we have a stage, a computer room, an animation room, and a gift shop. Animation cells in the gift shop.
Especially if like a birthday or Christmas is coming up, you can make a movie for them.